Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading passage S, Roger, from the second text in the Simple Comprehension series. Waking up in the middle of the night was a regular activity for Roger. He did it 5 days a week. To start the day, he would quietly tiptoe to the kitchen before making himself a hot cup of tea. He did not mind the early starts. His work was finished by midday, and he would be home by 3 in the afternoon. This allowed him a few hours of peace and quiet before the children came home from soccer practice or music tuition. He never turned on the television, preferring to listen to the morning news on the radio as he got ready to drive along the empty highway to the office. Questions. What did Roger do 5 days a week? What is meant by the word regular as it is used in the text? What is meant by the word deserted as it is used in the text? Why did Roger tiptoe to the kitchen? Why was the highway empty? Now let's check the answers. What did Roger do 5 days a week? 5 days a week, Roger woke up early. We know that because it says in the first sentence, waking up in the middle of the night was a regular activity for Roger. He did it 5 days a week. What is meant by the word regular as it is used in the text? Well, here it means something usual or normal or often done. What is meant by the word empty as it is used in the text? Well, here empty means deserted or not many other people or vehicles. Why did Roger tiptoe to the kitchen? Well, Roger lived in a house with other people. It mentions children. And he probably did not want to wake them up, as he was waking up early in the morning or in the middle of the night. Why was the highway empty? Because it was early in the morning that he would go to work, so few people would travel at this time of day. Thank you for your time. How did you go?